Hello everyone, welcome to the lesson. Okay, so for this lesson, I'd like to work on the sight reading practice number 1. So let's get to it. Okay, so how do you practice this now? It's super easy. So first things first, as you can see before the exercises, I do have an extra bar here, which basically has got no notes. Okay, so before we start, right, this will allow the metronome to do a run in. So for example, in this case, okay, so once the running completes, you can start to play. Okay, so for all these exercises right now, I have indicated the middle C as the note that we are going to try. So for example, in this first exercise here, I'm going to use this as a demonstration. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is something that you can run through, and as time goes by, when we move on to exercise number 2, number 3, number 4, the rhythm are going to be different. Okay, so another thing to note is that instead of just playing a single note, what you can also do is you can also clap. Like for example, in this case, you can play. Sorry, give me a second. So in this case, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's an option as well. All right. Okay, so next let's run through your exercise number 2. Now this might be a good time for you to pause the video and give it a try. Okay, so now let's listen to it. So here it goes. Okay, so that's pretty much about it. So let's listen to exercise number 3. So let's go. Okay friends, now you can probably pause the video here and give it a try. Now once I've tried it already, so let's move on to the exercise number 3 so you can listen to this. Okay, so let's move on to your exercise number 4. Okay, so exercise number 4, now you can give it a try first. And when you're ready, let's listen to it. Okay, so let's give it a try. So here we go. Okay, so next exercise number 5. Okay, so next let's move on to your exercise number 5. So now once again, you can pause the video and give it a try. Okay, so let's listen to it. Okay, now let's move on to your exercise number 6. Okay, so here we are at exercise number 6. Now you can pause the video and give it a try. Okay, so once you're done, let's listen to it. So here we go. Okay, so that is exercise number 6. Okay friends, so that's pretty much it for the lesson today. So thanks a lot for watching and I see you soon. Bye.